23 years ago, Rwanda went through a genocidal mass slaughter of Tutsi, which is also known as the genocide against the Tutsi. Approximately 1 million people died in only 100 days. There was destruction of property, which led to poverty. There was also a huge number of orphans, widows, and raped women, which destroyed Rwanda and left it with no hope of tomorrow. But that didn't stop Rwanda from surviving all the suffering and using its people as an engine of its quick development. I, Miss Rwanda 2017, after learning about the genocide, I decided to visit survivors and people who were made vulnerable because of the genocide. By visiting them and interacting with them, I found out that most of them have been living with a disease known as cataract, which tore my heart into pieces but encouraged me to know more about that disease. I went to a specialist, Edison, and he explained more about this disease. After finding out that 50% of Rwandan population who are blind, it's due to cataract, I decided to use my platform and help people with cataract, whereby with the help of Kabgayi Hospital, we managed to operate on 200 people. And the operations were so successful, which filled my heart with joy to see all the people recovering their sight.
Imana izamuha imigisha myinshi.
Inde?
Nyampinga, dore ngo uyu yicaye. Ndi kumureba. Yanajya no kundamutsa hano. Imwongerera imbaraga. I didn't lose gas. Went on with paying tuition and school fees for 11 vulnerable students until they are done with their studies. Visited a number of genocide survivors and helped them with basic needs. Also paid hanging bills for 50 vulnerable people in the hospital. And still promoting Made in Rwanda brands across the country and outside the country, whereby Made in Rwanda brands are on a rapid scale of sale on the market, national and international wide.